26, 87, 364. First one is into 1 plus 1. Second one into 2 plus 4. Third one into 3 plus 9. Next one into 4 plus 16 or not. Obviously next one into 5 plus 25. Okay, 364 into 5. 1820 plus 25. How much? 1845. Next question number 67. 25, 30. What is the difference? First one 5. Second one 35. But more terms or not? Means product or sum? Product. First one difference 5. That 5 means we written into 1 plus 5 or not? Next 30 to 65 into 2 plus 5 or not? 65 to 200. Almost 3 times or not? Plus 5. Next one into 4 plus 5. Next one into 5 plus 5. 5 5s are 25 plus 5 means 30. Ending with 30 or not? How many options? 2 options. But 800 into 5 means we are getting 4000 or not? Then answer 4030. Which option? Fifth one. Next question number 68. 20, 52, 68, 76 and 80. What is the first one difference? 32. Next one difference? 16. Next one 8. Next one 4. Obviously next one 2 or not? Half of the 32, half of the 16, half of the 8, half of the 4. 80 plus 2 or 80 minus 2? 80 plus 2. Next question number 69. 15, 20, 41, 86, 163. What is the first one difference? 5. Next one 21. Next one 45. Next one 77 or not? 77. What is the 3 square? 9. Compared to 9, 5 how much value or less? 4 less. Minus 4 or plus 4? Minus 4. What is the 5 square? 25. Minus 4? 21 or not? Next, what is the 7 square? 49. Minus 4 or not? Next one, 9 square? 81. Minus 4 or not? Next, 11 square? Minus 1 or not? What is the 11 square? 121 minus 4. 121 minus 4. 117. 163 plus 117. 280 or not? Or difference of, again difference or not? Difference of difference. Next question number 70. 4 2s how much? 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 6 times 192 or not? First one into 2. Second one into 4. Next into 6. Obviously next one into 8. 192 into 8 times or not? Ending with 6 or not? How many possibilities? 2 possibilities or not? It is almost closer to 1600 or not? Which one is the closer value? 1536. 192 means we written 200 minus 8 or not? 200 minus 8 into 8 times. 8 into 200 means 1600. Then answer must be less than 1600 or not? Which option? Fourth one. 1600 minus 64 or not? Next question number 71. In a competitive exam, 20% of the applications were found ineligible and 64% of the eligible applications were male. If the number of eligible female applications was 8064, total how many applications were there, both eligible and ineligible or not? Suppose total number of applications are 100%. Out of 100%, 20% are which one? Ineligible or not? 20% are ineligible means remaining 80% are eligible or not? Out of 80%, 64% are which one? Male value or not? Out of 80%, 64% are male value means remaining 36% are female value or not. 36% of which one? 80% or not. 36% of 80%, those are female eligible or ineligible? Eligible. But female eligible applications is how much? 8064. Then 36% of 80% equal to 8064. But we require total applications. How much percent we need? 100% or not? Okay. 20 how many times 80? 4 times. 20 how many times 100? 5 times or not? Again 4 how many times 80? 20. 1 6 or not? Okay. Next 496 how many times? 9 times. 4 how many times? 2016. 5 times 0 4 or not? 5 not 4. 9 again how many times? 5 times again 6 or not? 56 into 5 280 or not? Half of the 10 times or not? 280. First 3 digits are 280. How many options? Only one or not? 28,000 or 280? 28,000. Because in first case 2%, but second case only 1% or not? Percent nothing but 2 zeros or not? Then answer 280 into 100. 28,000. If you are verify the 7 multiple, 3 options are possible. Fifth option possible, second option possible, and third option also possible. Okay. Next question number 72. Trisha traveled a distance of 30 kilometers in how many hours? 8 hours. She traveled this distance partly on the foot at 2 km per hour and partly on bicycle at the rate of 6 km per hour. We require distance traveled by on foot or not? Distance value are required. If we require distance value in allegation concept, which values we are taken? Time values or not? If we require distance ratio in allegation concept, we are take the time values. What is the total distance? 30. What is the speed in first one? 2. 30 by 2. 15. Means first case time are 15 hours or not? Next, what is the second case speed? 6. What is the distance value? 30. 30 by 6. 5 or not? It is the 5 hours or not? 30 by 6 means distance by speed or not? Distance by speed means return time. What is the maximum time to cover the distance of 30 kilometers? 15 hours. Minimum time 5 hours. But overall time 8 hours or not? 15 hours, 5 hours and 8 hours. Solving these three values, we are get the ratio or not? That ratio represents quantity 1 and quantity 2. But here quantity 1 means distance of the first one. Quantity 2 means distance of second one or not? 15 and 8 difference 7. 8 and 5 difference 3. What is the ratio? 3:7. Total how many parts? 10 parts. In that how many parts we need? 3 parts. 3 by 10 of how many kilometers? 30. 3 by 10 of 30 means 9 or 4? 9. Next question number 73. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 8/4 by 7 hours when opened simultaneously if B alone takes 5 hours more than the A alone takes to fill the tank completely. How much time does A alone take to fill the tank or not? Okay. First of all, A and B together can fill the tank in how much time are taken? 8/4 by 7. 8/4 by 7 means written 60 by 7 or not? 60 by 7 hours. What is the numerator? 60. Denominator 7. Numerator we are taken total work. Denominator efficiency or not? Work by efficiency we are get the time or not? What is the work value? 60. What is the time efficiency value? 7. Work by efficiency we are get the time or not? Here 60 by 7 hours or hours? 60 by 7 hours means that value are time or not? Time nothing but we written work by efficiency or not? The numerator are work, denominator are efficiency or not? Next, A time compared to B time, how many hours are more? 5 hours. Sorry, B time compared to A time, how many hours are more? 5 hours. Suppose A time are X hours, then B time are X plus 5 hours or not? X plus 5 hours. Okay. What is the first option? 12. A value 12 or not? If A value are 12, then B value 1700. What is the LCM of 12 comma 17? 60 possible or not? What is the numerator? 60. 60 is the total work or not? Total work nothing but LCM of A comma B or not? What is the first option? 12. A value 12 means B value 17. What is the LCM of 12 comma 17? 60 possible or not? No. What is the second option? 18. A value 18, then B value 23. 18 comma 23 LCM 60 possible or not? No. Third option 14. A value 14, then B value 19. 14 comma 19 LCM 60 possible? No. Next, what is the fourth option? 15. A value 15, then B value 20. 15 20 LCM 60 possible or not? Okay, LCM 60 are getting. 15 how many times? 4 times. 20 how many times? 3 times. 4 plus 3 7 or not? Satisfied or not? That is the answer. Okay. Hours nothing but time. Time nothing but work by efficiency or not? If you are solving equation method, it will be time taken process or not? Just verification it is. Next, answer 15 hours, fourth option. Next, 74. A tank is 1/6 hour full. When 18 liters of water is added to it, it becomes 7/15 hour full. What is the capacity of the tank? What is the capacity of the tank? A tank is how much value are full? 1/6. Means out of 6 parts, how many parts are filled? 1 part. Means total tank capacity is 6 parts or not? We required capacity of the tank means how many parts we need? 6 parts. How many options are 6 multiples? Only 1. Okay. Or already 1/6 are full. We are adding how many liters? 18 liters. Then I written 1/6 plus 18 or not? After adding the 18, it will become how much value? 7/15 or not? 7/15. This one we written 7/15 minus 1/6 equal to how many liters? 18 liters or not? 18 liters. What is the LCM of 15 comma 6? 30. 15 how many times? 2 times. 6 how many times? 5 times. 7 2s are 14. 1 into 5? 5. 14 minus 5? 9. 9 by how much value? 30 or not? Okay. What is the 9 parts value? 18 liters. We required how many parts? 30 parts. How many liters? 60 liters or not? 9/30 fractional represents how many liters? 18 liters or not? What is the meaning? Out of 30 parts, how many parts are there? 9 parts. 9 parts value 18. Then every 1 part are 2. Then 30 parts are 60 or not? Next question number 75. Mr. Verma gave 25% of his monthly salary to his wife, 15% of the remaining salary to each of his 2 sons or not? Means every son how much percent are received? 15% or not? First son 15%, second son also 15%. 15 plus 15, 30% are received or not? Okay. Next, he spent 20% of the salary remaining after giving to his wife and his 2 sons on buying which one? Groceries. After which he was left with how many rupees? 21,000. What is the question here? Monthly salary or not? Suppose his monthly salary we are consider 100%. Out of 100% already wife share 25%. What is the remaining percent? 75%. Out of 75%, each son are received 15% plus 15 or not? Means how much percent are received by 2 sons? 30% or not? Out of 75, 30% are received by 2 sons means what is the remaining percentage? 70% or not? Don't say 45. Out of 75, 30 complete. What is the remaining? 70. 70% of which one? 75. Next step. He spent 20% of the salary remaining after giving to his wife and 2 sons. What is the remaining value after 2 sons value? 70% of 75. In that how much percent are groceries? 20%. Means out of this one 20% are groceries or not? 20% are groceries means remaining are how much? 80% or not? 80%. Then 80% of 70% of 75% after groceries or before groceries? After groceries. But after groceries, he left with how many rupees? 21,000. It is equal to how much value? 21,000. We require monthly salary or not? How much person we need? 100% or not? Okay. What is the 80% of 75%? 80% of 75%? 60%. What is the 60% of 70%? 42%. Means left hand side value we are getting 42% or not? But in place of 42%, how much value? 21,000. Means half or double? Half. What is the half of the 100? 50. Then answer 50,000 or not? 80% of 75, 60%. 70% of 60%, 42% or not? Next question number 76. The simple interest on certain sum of money at 6% per annum for 10 years is 540. At what rate of per annum will the same amount of interest can be received on the same sum after 4 years or not? First case sum, second case sum, same or different? Same. First case interest and second case interest also same or different? Same amount of interest or different amount of interest? Same amount. Both cases interest are same, both cases sum also same are given or not? Okay. What is the rate of person in first one? 6%. What is the time period in first one? 10 years or not? In simple interest concept, entire concept is depends on rate of person and time or not? What is the rate of person in first case? 6%. Time are 10 years. 6 into 10, 60%. That 60% is the interest in first case or not? Next, what is the second case time period? 4 years. That 4 years interest value are 60% or not? Same interest or different interest? Same interest. Simple interest case, first case 60% are received. The same 60% are received in second case. How much time are taken? 4 years. 4 years 60% means per annum how much? 15% or not? Means second case rate of percent are 15% or not? Equal interest or different interest? Equal interest. First case rate of percent 6%, time period are 10 years. Second case rate of percent are unknown, but time period are 4 years or not? 6 into 10, 60. By 4 means 15 or not? Then R equal to how much? 15% per annum. When interest values are same, principal values also same, directly we return R1 T1 equal to R2 T2 or not? R1 T1 equal to R2 T2. Next question number 77. Suraj invested equal sums or different sums? Equal sums. In schemes A and B, both the schemes offer same rate of interest or different one? Same rate of interest, 12% per annum. Means first case rate of percent 12%, second case also same rate of percent or different one? Same. And one more, the only difference in scheme A offers compound interest and scheme B offers simple interest or not? Scheme A are compound interest, but scheme B are simple interest. If the difference between the interest occurred by Suraj from both the schemes after 2 years is how many rupees? 146.88 or not? We required which one? What was the sum is invested by him in each of the schemes or not? Okay. What is the rate of percent? 12%. How many years are given? 2 years. 12% for 2 years. What is the simple interest? 24%. 12% for 2 years. What is the compound interest? 25.44. What is the difference? 1.44% or not? 1.44%. But in place of 1.44%, how much value are given? 146.8 or not? That is the 2 years compound interest and simple interest difference or not? We required each one sum. Sum nothing but how much percent? 100% or not? Okay. 144 ones are how much? 144. What is the remaining value? 288. How many times? 2 times. Means 102 or not? 102. 1 or 2 into 100. 10,200. 17 multiple or not? Next question number 78. The average monthly income of P and Q is how much? 8690. The average monthly income of Q and R is 11,120 and that of P and R is how much? 9850. What is the monthly income of P and R? Okay. What is the first two persons average? 8690. What is the next two persons average? 11,120 and last two persons average 9850 or not? 9850. First we required which one? P value or Q value? P value. P plus Q plus P plus R. We are get the how much? 2P plus Q plus R. In this one we are subtracting Q plus R or not? Okay. It is equal to 2P or not? It is equal to how much value? 2P value or not? Okay. What is the average value are given first two persons? 8690. Some value 2 into 8690 or not? Okay. Next another two persons Q and one more P and R. What is the average? 9850. Some value 2 into 9850 or not? First one 2 into 8690, second one 2 into 9850. 2 is common or not? 2 are common. 2 will be common. 8690 plus 9850. How much? 98 and 86. 18540 or not? 18540 minus what is the Q plus R average? 11,120. Average 11,120 means some value 22240 or not? 22240. Just wait. This one also we written 11,120 or not? Because first two values 2 common. Next value also 2 common. Means overall we are common the 2 or not? It is equal to how much value? 2P. 2 get cancelled or not? Then P equal to how much value? 18,540 minus 11,120. What is the remaining value? 7420 or not? Okay. Averages are given, converted to sum means each one are multiplied by 2 or not? Okay. First two values 2 common, next value also 2 common, overall 2 common, left hand side 2, right hand side 2 get cancelled or not? Next question number 79. A trader sold an article for how many rupees? 800 at a gain of 25% and some other article for 900 rupees at a loss of how much percent? 10%. What is the total gain or loss percentage approximately or not? Okay. What is the first time selling value? 800. What is the gain percent? 25%. Then we written cost price of the first article is 100 by 125 into 800 or not? It is cost price of first one or second one? First one. Next cost price of second one. Suppose cost price of second one 100%, but how much percent are loss? 10% loss. 10% loss means selling price are 90. That 90 are equal to how much value? 900 or not? Then we are get the cost price of the first one, cost price of the second one. And 25 how many times first one? 4. 25 how many times? 5 times. 4 by 5 means 80% or not? 80% of 800 means it is how much? 640 or not? Next 90 how many times? 10 times. This one are 1000 or not? Cost price of first one 640, cost price of second one 1000. What is the total cost price? 1640 or not? What is the selling price of the first one? 800. Selling price of second one 900. Means total selling price 1700 or not? Total cost price are 1640, total selling price are 1700. How many rupees are profit? 60 or 40? 60. 60 upon 1640 into 100. Okay. What is the 10% of 1640? 164. What is the 1% of 1640? 16.400. 1% 16.4. 2% 32. 4% 64 something or not. Then answer must be nearby 4%. How many options are 4% here? Third option and fifth option. But we required gain or loss? Gain. Answer fifth option or not? 4% gain or 4% loss? 4% gain. At present, the age of the son is 1/3 of which one? Father age. If 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was how many years? 32. 8 years back, sum 32 means present sum 48. 48 or 46? 48. Because each one how many years are adding? 8 years. 32 plus 8 plus 8. How much? 48. That 48 will be sum of the two persons or only one person? Two persons. Father is how many parts? 3 parts. Son are 1 part. Total 4 parts. What is the 4 parts value? 48. But we required father value. How many parts we need? 3 parts. Then 3 parts are 36. Next. Question number 81. First priority 33.6 divided by 14 or not? Okay. 33.6 divided by 14 means 14 how many times? 2 times. Again 4 times or not? 2.4. 2.4 into 0.5 or not? Nothing but half of the 2.4 means 1.2. 1.20 or not? 1.20 plus how much value we are adding? 0.76. Both are adding, it is 1.96. 1.96 is which one square? 1.4 square. Which option? Second option or not? Next, question number 82. We required which one? 10 power something or 3 power something? 10 power something. Then we are concentrate on only 10 powers or not? Only 10 powers. 0.9 means written 9 by 10 or not? 9 by 10. Denominator 10 or not? What is the numerator value? 3.5. But 9 means written 3 square or not? 3 square. 3 square power how much value? 3.5. But denominator 10. This one we written 10 power 3.5 or not? Because already 3 square get cancelled or not? Next, what is the remaining value in denominator? 10 power 3.5. Next, what is the second one? 0.09. 0.09 means written 9 by 100 or not? 9 by 100. 100 means 10 square or not? 100 means 10 square. What is the power value? 1.5. 2 into 1.5, 2 plus 1.5. 2 into 1.5. Nothing but 10 power 3 or not? 10 power 3. If these two are numerators, we are getting positive 6.5 or not? But these two are denominators. Then answer minus 6.5 plus 6.5. Minus 6.5. Denominators, one is 10 power 3.5, another one 10 power 3. Then we are getting the 10 power 6.5, it is the denominator value. Then answer are 10 power minus 6.5 means question mark will be 6.5. Negative value or positive value? Negative. Next, question number 83. What is the denominator in left hand side? 143 into 6 minus 138 into 6. Difference 5 into 6 or 5 plus 6? 5 into 6. 5 into 6 means 30. That 30 equal that 30 value written 1.45 into 30 or not? Means 14.5 into 3 or not? 14.5 into 3 means right hand side we are getting 43.5 5 or not? 43.5. It is right hand side value. What is the left hand side value? 16 plus 5 into something by 24 or not? Plus 16 becomes, it will be minus 16 or not? 43.5 minus 16. How much? 43.5 minus 16. 27.5 or not? 27.5 means 16 are already cancelled or not? Next, 5 how many times? 27.5. 5 5s are remaining 2.5 means 5.5 or not? Then question mark equal to 24 into how much? 5.5. 5.5 means written 11 by 2 or not? Okay, 2 how many times? 12. 12 11s are how much? 132. Which option? First option. Calculation will be little bit lengthy or not? Okay, but before solving the question, just verify the something by which one? 24. Means something by 24 equal to some value or not? Then something equal to be written 24 into something or not? 24 means it is 3 multiple or not? First option is 3 multiple. Second one? Third one? No. Fourth one? No. Fifth one? No. Before solving the question, first verify the multiple. Okay. Something by 24 equal to resultant value or not? Then something equal to 24 into 24 or not? 24 means it is multiple of which one? 3. Means value must be divisible by which one? 24. Value is divisible by 24 means it is must be divisible by 3. Next question number 84. 1.4 square minus 0.7. 1.4 square means 1.96. In this one we are subtracting 0.70. What is the difference? 1.26. Next, second one, 1.96 plus 0.70. Both are adding 2.66 or not? 2.66. One is the numerator, another one are denominator. Then we return 126 by how much value? 266 or not? 266. 266. 9 how many times numerator? 14 or not? Denominator 9 2s are 9 possible? 7. Sorry. 7 how many times? 1 time. Remaining 56. 8 times or not? Denominator 7 3s are 21. Remaining 56. 56 means 8. 18 by 38 means 9 by 18 or not? 9 by 19. 9 by 19. 2 9s are 2 19s. Next question number 85. 5 into 2 how much? 10. Denominator 0 cancel or not? 9 into 3 27. Numerator 27 cancel or not? Then answer is 71 into 4. Ending with 4 or not? 4 7s are 28. 4 1s are 4. 284. Next 86. Square root of 405 minus square root of 80. 405 means we return 5 into 81 or not? 5 into 81. 81 means 9 square or not? Then square root of 405 we return 9 root 5 or not? Next, square root of 80. Square root of 80 means we return 16 into 5 or not? Square root of 16, 4 means 4 root 5 minus 4 root 2 5 or not? Okay, 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 into square root of 45 means it is 9 into 5 or not? Square root of 9 means 3. This one we return 3 root 5 or not? First 9 root 5 and 4 root 5 difference 5 root 5. 5 root 5 into 3 root 5 or not? 5 into 3 15. 15 into 5 total 75. 5 root 5 into how much value? 3 root 5. 5 3s are 15. Root 5 into root 5 5. 15 5s are how much? 75. Next question number 87. What is the 20% of 250? 50. 50 into 120% means written 6 by 5 or not? 6 by 5 into something, it is equal to how much value? 480 or not? First of all, both sides zeros are cancel or not? Numerator 5, denominator 5 in left hand side cancel or not? 6 how many times? 48? 8 times. Then answer are 8. Next question number 88. $1.6 means written 16 by 10 or not? 16 by 10. 0 denominator 10 cancel or not? 16 by 10 into 80 means 0 0 cancel or not? 4 into 16 64 into 8 nothing but 8 cube or not? What is the 8 cube value? 5 1 2 into 5 by 100 or not? 5 by 100. 5 1 2 into 5 means 2560. 2560 by 100 means 25.60 or not? 25.60. In this one we are subtracting how much value? 5.90 or not? 5.90. 160 minus 90. 70 or not? Ending with 0.70. How many options? Only one or not? 4 into 16 by 10 into 5 by 100 into how much value? 80 or not? 0 0 cancel or not? 4 into 16 64 into 8 512. 512 into 5 2560 by 100 means 25.60 or not? Clear? Next question number 89. First priority left hand side bracket value or not? 126 by 6 21 minus 12 9. 9 into 18 it is equal to 72 by something or not? 18 is the numerator, 72 also numerator or not? 18 how many times? 4 times. Already left hand side 9 or not? Then something square it is equal to 9 by 4 or 4 by 9? 4 by 9. 4 by 9 means 2 by 3. Which option? First one. 18 how many times? 72. 4 times or not? Next question number 90. What is the right hand side value? 3 power something. Means left hand side also converted to 3 power something or not? 27 square. 27 means it is 3 cube or not? Overall it is 3 power 6 into 12 cube. 12 cube means written 12 into 12 into 12 or not? By how much value? 48. Again division or not? 48 by which one? 0.5 square or not? 48 by 0.5 square. This one we written 12 into 0.5 into 0.5 or not? Denominator of denominator it will become numerator multiplication or not? 0.5 means we written 1 by 2 or not? Again 0.5 means we written 1 by 2. Okay. 12 how many times? 48. 4 times. 4 how many times? 12. 3 times. 2 into 2. 4. 4 how many times? 12. 3 times. 3 power 6 into 3 power 1 into 3 power 1. Overall it is 3 power 8. Then answer 8. Next, what is the left hand side value? 84 plus 14 square or not? What is the 14 square value? 196 plus 84 280 or not? Left hand side we are getting 280 or not? That 280 into what is the right hand side value? Something into 105 divided by 8.25 or not? 8.25 double 16.5. 16.5 double 33. Means this one we written 33 by 4 or not? 33 by 4 by how much value? 105. It is equal to something or not? 33 means 11 multiple or not? There is no cancellation values in 11 in denominator or not? How many options are 11 multiples? Only one or not? Right hand side it is denominator, it will become left hand side product or not? Right hand side product, it will become left hand side denominator or not? Next question number 92. What is the left hand side numerator value? 1963 divided by how much value? 6.5. 6.5 means we written 13 by 2 or not? 13 by 2. This one we written 1963 into 2 by how much? 13. In this one how much value are subtracting? 164 by, what is the right hand side value? 851 divided by how much? 37. 851 by 37 means 37 2s are how much? 74. What is the remaining value? 111 or not? 111 means almost how many times? 3 times. Then right hand side value 23. Then this one we written denominator 23 or not? Okay, equal to something or not? Clear? 13 how many times? 19. 1 time. Remaining 66. 13 means 5 times. Remaining 13. 1 time. 151 into 2. 302. 302 minus 164. 302 minus 164. 138 or not? 138 by how much value? 23. Almost 6 times or not? (302) minus 164 we are getting 138 divided by 23 we are getting 6 times. Next 93. What is the right hand side value? Square root of 256. What is the square root of 256? 16. What is the left hand side? Negative 101 or not? It will become right hand side plus 101. 101 plus 16. 117. Then this one we written question mark equal to 65 into 9 by 117 or not? Okay. 9 how many times? 117. 13 times or not? 13 how many times? 5 times. Then answer 5 or not? Next 12.5 into how many times? 14 times or not? First 14 tens are how much? 140. 14 twos are 28. 140 plus 28. 168. 14 into half 7. Overall 175 by how much value? 20 or not? 175 by 20 or not? 175 by 20 we written 175 by 2 into 10 or not? Okay. What is the half of the 175? 87.5. 87.5 by 10 we are getting 8.75 or not? 8.75 means this total value we are getting 8.75. Already another value 41.25. Both are adding, it is how much? 50 or not? What is the right hand side value? Something by 2.5 or not? This one we written 25 by 10 or not? Into 25 by 10. 0 0 cancel, it is equal to something cube or not? 5 into 25. 125. Which one cube? 5 cube or not? 175 by 20 we are getting. 2 how many times? 10. 2 how many times? 87.5. This one we written 8.75 or not? Okay. Next question number 95. 2744 which one cube? 14. 14 by 343 which one cube? 7 by 7 or not? Into something square. What is the right hand side value? 225. In that how much value you are subtracting? 63. 225 minus 63. 162 or not? 162. 7 how many times? 14. 2 times. 2 how many times? 162. 81. 81 which one square? 9 square or not? Next 96 to 100. Table are given, months are given and stores are given. What is the first question? What is the average number of bangles sold by stores QRT in May month or not? What is the Q value in May month? Q value 129, R value 87, T value 165. First we are adding the hundreds positions or not? 100 plus 100 plus 100, 200 plus 20, 220, 220 plus 80, 300 plus 60, 360, 9 plus 7, 14 plus 5, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. Total it is once again 120 plus 80, 200, 200 plus 160, 360 or not? 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 21. Total it is 381 by 3 or not? 3 how many times? 12. First two digits are 1, 2. 2 options are not. But ending with 7 or not? 127. Next 97. Number of bangles sold by store Q is increased by what percent from June to September? What is the June value? Q June value 120. Next September value 177. How much value are increased? 57 upon 120 into 100 or not? Okay. We require exact percentage or not? 20 how many times 120? 6 times. 20 how many times 100? 5 times or not? Next, what is the denominator? 6. 3 how many times? 6. 2 times. Numerator 3 how many times? 19 or not? 19 into 5. 95. Half of the 95 or not? What is the half of the 95? 47.5. Next question number 98. What is the difference between the total number of bangles sold by store S in June and July together and the total number of bangles sold by store P in the same months or different months? Same months. What is the S value in June? 69. July 133. Both are adding it is 202 or not? Next, P also same months or different months? Same months. One is 121, another one are 145. Total it is 266. What is the difference between 202 and 266? 64. Next 99. What is the ratio between the number of bangles sold by store S and T together in August and total number of bangles sold by same stores together in September? S and T in August. What is the S value in August? 115. T value in August 158. Total it is 273 or not? Next, same stores together in September 220 and 131 or not? 220 plus 131 351 or not? 351. What is the difference between 273 and 351? Actually we require ratio or not? 273 351 difference 78 or not? 78 means 13 multiple or not? 78 means 13 multiple. 13 how many times? 27. 2 times. Remaining 1 time. Again 35. 13 to the how much? 26. Remaining 91. How many times? 7 times or not? 21, 27. 3 how many times? 7. 3 how many times? 9. Then ratio are 7:9. First verify the difference. What is the difference value? 78. 78 means it is 13 multiple. If difference are 13 multiple means individual values also 13 multiples. Next question number 100. Out of the total number of bangles sold by store R in July and August together, 35% were made of gold. What was the total number of gold bangles sold by store R in June, July and August? Out of the June and July, August, 35% are which one? Gold or not? Here we required also gold value or not? Means 35% of some value or not? 35% of some value. 35 means 7 multiple or not? First option 7 multiple. If any sum we are getting, in that how much percent we need? 35%. 35% means it is multiple of 7. First option 7 multiple. No. Second option. No. Third option. No. Fourth option. Yes. Fifth option. No. We are not required sum. Out of the any sum, how much percent we need? 35%. 35% means it is 7 multiple or not? Thank you.